Good morning, dear students. This lecture is for class 11th, subject Business Studies, chapter Small Business and Enterprise, lecture number 3. In the previous lecture, we have discussed Startup India scheme. In this lecture, we will discuss intellectual property rights and entrepreneurship. Intellectual property right system can be critical in helping new venture transform their innovative potential and creativity into market value and competitiveness. Intellectual property rights allow innovative entrepreneur to protect their invention. See, protect invention of entrepreneurs. It also give an edge over your competitor. So let us discuss what is IP system. General definition of intellectual property right. Intellectual property right can be divided into two categories, that is intellectual property, which include inventions, patent, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, copyright, which include literary and artistic work. So intellectual property right refers to general term for the assignment of property right on these assets. See, intellectual property, or you can say IP, is an intellectual work which is produced by the intellect of human brain. For example, literary work, musical work, inventions, etc. Now, let us discuss the concept of IP. IP is an intangible property. See, intangible property. Intangible means you cannot see and touch. You just feel. It can be described as property. It can be described as property because you can sell it, purchase it and mortgage. See, because it is capable of sale, purchase, mortgage, etc. So you can call IP as intangible property. The exclusive right which person enjoy with respect to his IP are his intellectual property rights. See, exclusive right which person enjoys with respect to IP are intellectual property rights. For example, copyright law protect the copyright of the author, musician, etc. Patent law protect the invention of the inventors, and trademark law protect the trademark. I will explain copyright, patent, trademark later on. Now, let us discuss the type of intellectual property right in detail. But before discussing this, I'll tell you something about intellectual property importance. Intellectual property right is very, very important and beneficial for innovative entrepreneur. Just because innovative potential get market value, special upcoming entrepreneur can make their name place in the market with IPs are research show more than 25% patent are taken by new and upcoming enterprise. Researchers find that 25% patents are taken by new entrepreneurs. IPR give the entrepreneur property right on intangible assets. As I told you earlier, IPR give an edge over the competitor and help you to become leader of your field. I hope all you understood the importance of entrepreneur with intellectual property rights. Now let us discuss type of intellectual property right one by one. There are basically three types, that is copyright, patent, trademark. First we will discuss copyright. See, copyright protection gives the copyright holder the exclusive right to copy the work, modify it, that is, create derivative work. Modification means derivative work, and distribute, perform, and display the work publicly. Got it? See, again I'll tell. Copyright protect the right of copy the work, modify the work, distribute, perform, and display the work with publicly. Now second one is patent. See, patent protect processes. The process of doing the work is patent. So patent protect processes, methods, and invention. The invention that you are going to do, this will be protected by the patent, that are novel, non-obvious, and useful. If granted a patent, give you monopoly on selling, using, making, and importing an invention. See, patent give you guarantee. Only patent give you guarantee that monopoly on selling, using, making, importing the invention. The requirement for a patent are complex. After that, the last type is trademark. A trademark is like a brand name of the product. It is any word or symbol that represent a product to identify and distinguish it from other product in the marketplace. See, trademark differentiate your product with the other product. For example, Nike. See, Right, a tick of right is the trademark of Nike company. So trademark give you a legal protection that no one else can use this trademark. I hope intellectual property right is very clear to you all. Thank you for this video. We will meet in the next video very soon.